What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, and welcome to an Icezeus video. As you can see in the horizon right here, I have some Icezeus products, guys, that I'm so excited to unbox and share with you and help bring awareness to such a unique brand. Icezeus, if you're not familiar with them, they're a luxury jewelry brand that creates very unique statement pieces. By statement pieces, I mean stuff like this. Honestly, you don't really see jewelry like this that often. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I love your company. If you're not new though, you know that I absolutely love jewelry. Throughout the years, I've reviewed so many jewelry companies on this channel here, and Icezeus has honestly been on my radar for quite some time now. And there's a few pieces that I've literally been eyeing up for the longest time, and it just so happens they're here, and we're gonna box it together today. So I'm super excited to give you an honest, authentic review. This is not a paid sponsorship. They're not paying for me to give you my opinion. Icezeus was just kind enough to give these pieces to me to share my thoughts here on YouTube. So I'm pretty excited for this, guys. We're gonna try them on. We're gonna have an iced out experience, I guess that's what we can call this video. It's been a long week, okay? It's been a very long week. And honestly, I've been anticipating unboxing this since I received it a few days ago. Finally, I have time today to create this video. And you might hear some thunder in the background because it is about to storm outside, and I'm relying solely on the God's light as well as a ring light. So we're gonna have a great time here, guys. If you're interested in this Icezeus experience, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. You can check Icezeus out at 𝐈𝐂𝐄𝐿.com. Of course, I'm gonna link all their information in the description down below, as well as the pieces that I'll be unboxing, so you can check them out for yourself. And we're just gonna dive in, guys. I'm gonna try to not make this review boring or drawn out as much as I possibly can, but this is how you receive the product. We have the Icezeus packaging right here. And I like how there's like a little thunderbolt for the Z. Pretty cool, unique logo. And yeah, very simple packaging. I have my knife right here. We're gonna get this open. Now, there are two different types of pieces that I chose. And one of them is, I'm just gonna say, a necklace, guys. I'm a sucker for diamond necklaces these days. I just love like the statement that jewelry can be when it's like, bam, like right in your face and just a statement, you know what I mean? Speaking of that, I feel like I should probably take this off. I need to check out Icezeus with a fresh palette. So jewelry is off, and we're solely just gonna be wearing pieces from this brand. So this is the first impression of the box, guys. So there are, well, there's one box. All right, cool, and there's like a little pamphlet right here, which I will not bore you with immediately. We will check out the pieces first, and then we will get into those details. But has some weight to it. Definitely has some weight to it here. I like how it's protected in bubble wrap. We definitely appreciate that. The goods got to be protected. And here we have the jewelry box. I have to say, guys, this is really cool. I like how it's like a plushy top, but you can see where it says Icezeus right there, the logo, and I'm loving this kind of color right here. But let's open this together. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is such a beautiful piece. Oh my goodness. So this necklace, I've wanted for the longest time. It just reminds me of something that's like very Baroque style, very just eloquent and beautiful. And I cannot believe this is mine, to be honest. So it was packaged absolutely like perfect, very safe, very secure, and I just like how the whole packaging here, oh, the other pieces are beyond this, so we'll get to that in just a moment, but that was perfection. So we have it protected in this type of like plastic wrap, which I'm gonna be honest with you guys, when companies use this type of material for covering their jewelry, I always have the worst time unwrapping it, so I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. This plastic wrap is a nightmare to take off. Most importantly though, the reveal of the necklace. Are you guys seeing this? Look at how freaking beautiful this piece is. It is just absolutely gorgeous. So I've chosen the 20-inch necklace, and I'm praying that it fits. I don't have that big of a neck. I don't think. So let's check it out. Let me take this off, and we will get a full look of the necklace. But this is one of my favorite pieces that I saw on their website, and honestly, it's just so unique. It really is. It has weight to it. Like, this feels heavy. It doesn't feel like a chintzy, cheap necklace. Honestly, it feels super luxurious. And I'm hoping that it fits. Oh, does it fit? Oh, it is perfect. Oh my goodness. Are you guys seeing that? Such a beautiful necklace. Oh my goodness. Like, the balls are so unique. I absolutely love it. This is what it looks like behind. And one thing I like too is it's just such a simple clasp. It's not a complicated clasp or anything like that. And it was easy to put on. So I know a lot of jewelry, for example, the one I was wearing before, I could not understand how to clasp it together. Maybe it's just me. Honestly, this has surpassed my expectations. I'm in love. This is such a beautiful piece. We have one more though. Are you guys ready? I don't know if I'm even ready for this because I have been wanting diamond earrings for the longest time. And I have like a little, you know, as you can see, my cartilage is pierced right here. So I have a little diamond going on. This is actually a vintage piece of jewelry. So it's not anything like elaborate or whatnot. I just got like at a antique shop. So let me take that out real quick. I actually have 2 holes pierced on my cartilage, and I have whatever this part is of your ear. I have that pierced. And I don't know where I'm going to put these at, but they're packaged together with this FYI. So very secure, very safe. And I think this is a cleaning cloth, which I definitely appreciate because I love like those little microfiber cloths so you could clean your jewelry and your sunglasses. And by the way, like, Icezeus doesn't just sell jewelry. They have like sunglasses. You can make custom pieces. There's so many options that you could do to work with this company. And that's what I absolutely appreciate. Options, of course. So, oh yeah, cool. This is it. We appreciate that. These earrings though, oh my goodness. They look absolutely phenomenal. And I like hoops. Like I usually wear like, well, a hoop in my tragus. Oh, I have my tragus pierced. I forgot about that. I wear a hoop there, so I'm hoping that these fit. But let me take it out. Oh my goodness, it just looks so shiny. There's 2 of them. So I'm gonna like make it work somehow in my ear with 2 of them. Hopefully it doesn't look, you know, too much. But check this out. Can you see that? Let me focus. Oh my God. That is gorgeous. These are mine. I'm so freaking happy that I own these, you guys. Oh my God. Now, how do I put these? Oh, okay. So basically you just do this and it comes off. Oh my God. It feels so nice. Like this is quality. This is a lot of quality. I absolutely love this. It dangles a lot though. I don't know how I feel about that, but it is nice. It is really nice. And we have another one. So let me see how it looks. That's already like 2 hoops though. This is kind of like sterling silver. So I don't know if it contrasts well with these. But let me see how this looks on my cartilage. I might just be rocking it there. What do we think? Honestly, I kind of love it. It's a little big for the cartilage. Like that's kind of like a big hoop for up there, but I'm not mad at it. I just love how shiny and luxurious these pieces look. Oh my goodness, I'm in love, guys. I'm in freaking love. Let me just crank that light a little bit. This is 10 out of 10 for me. Also, your products come with a little pamphlet, which is what we unboxed earlier, and it basically has a certificate that says created by GRA with a limited lifetime warranty certificate. Pretty cool. And there's a pamphlet in here which gives you a more in-depth background about your jewelry and the moissanite of it all, and the laboratories, research centers, basically all the background that you need to know in regards to whatever piece you selected. And it has clarity characteristics and honestly, like I said, everything you need to know about your products, like more than you need to know, to be honest. I don't know who needs to know the polish type and the clarity grade and the measurements. Why would you not? But there's just a lot, which is cool. It goes to show how much Icezeus really cares about their products and how much they want to inform you of the great quality that they serve. Now, they also provided me with a meter here, which I never have the best type of experience using. I've done this once before, and I don't know what it is, but for me, these type of like diamond contraptions, they are interesting. So it says diamond selector, and if you want to kind of like test your jewelry, that's what you can do with this piece right here. So I think it's really sick that they offer a product that helps you test your jewelry and the authenticity of it. So it's like a meter that simply you put batteries in, there's a battery right here, and you test your jewelry. Do you want to see me do that? I don't know if that's gonna just bore you guys, but the fact that there's an option to do something like this from Icezeus goes to show you that they take their precious jewelry very serious. So I absolutely love that, you guys. I'm gonna wrap up this review. I feel like we have a great experience here with Icezeus. I've just had nothing but a blast checking out this jewelry, and I'm shook at how beautiful this is in person. And like I said, I've been eyeing up their products online for quite some time now, and the fact that this necklace has surpassed my expectations is just insane. Again, I'll be listing all of Icezeus's in the description down below. So if you want to check them out for yourself, or if you're interested in the exact pieces that I picked up here, you could check those out. But you guys, this is just yet again another great impression that I have on a jewelry brand. The things you come across on TikTok and Instagram and all these like small businesses are insane. So I'm super pumped to be adding these pieces to my jewelry collection, and hopefully you check them out as well. If you have any opinions, thoughts, comments, if you have any questions, sound off in the comments down below, or you can ask me anything on Instagram at @SchirraGeorge if you want to follow me in there as well. Be my guest. I would love your company. Do not forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell, because that will keep you notified whenever I upload new content. So if you want to stay in touch. But that's a wrap. As always, do not forget to say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.